Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels with Adobe Premiere Pro. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in this video, we are just going to consult this article that will show us exactly on how to do it. And basically the first step to do is just to open your Adobe Premiere Pro and then you need to create the sequence. And basically the sequence is the Canva or the layout where you are going to work. And basically in the case of Instagram Shorts, it should have the ratio of 16 on 9. And as you can see, we will need just to go to create the sequence and make sure that the ratio is on 16:9. And after that, you make sure that you have a full HD preset so you can have a good quality video or a good quality thing, reel. And of course, for the frame rate, it should be above 30 or 30. And you will find many sequence presets, or you can simply choose your own settings, or you can even find some Instagram reels in the presets. So as you can see, those are the video settings that you will need. Those are the frame size and the horizontal size, and of course uh, this should be the ratio. And then you will need just to make sure that you have a 30 fps format. And now you can start adding your footage and you can start editing on your reel and video. So now, as you have the sequence that is good or that is fitting an Instagram reel, you will be able to start adding your footage and you can start editing and transitioning between sequences or between footages and videos and adding effects, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.